So this is your film response paper assignment. What you're going to do is select an approved film, see the list below, that is relevant to the course content. Your film has to be approved by me, and this assignment is worth 50 points. Moving on to the requirements of the assignment, this is a 3 to 5 page paper. It must be typed double-spaced using a 12-point font. It's really important that you understand that your goal is not to summarize the film, but rather to analyze its underlying themes that are connected to what we have studied and learned in this course. Think of yourself as a detective trying to uncover interpersonal communication concepts and theories in the film that you have chosen. In addition, you must examine yourself. Answer the question, what did you learn about yourself through studying these concepts and theories in class? Apply these concepts to the film. So specifically, number one, you need to have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. You also have to use proper grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Number three, use specific and concrete examples from our textbook and also class discussion and now your discussion post. Also use specific examples from the film and your own life to support your general assertions and an argument that you're making. Number four, broaden or deepen the ideas, the theories, the concepts that we talked about in class. And number five, make sure that you address the criteria of this assignment and the questions from this assignment. So what I've done is I've given you a list of films that I have approved. I do want to say that there might be a film that you watched that would fit this assignment. And what you can do is contact me to see if I would approve of it or not, but I have to have seen the film. So that's the only catch to that, is I need to be able to vet the films to make sure that they're relevant to the course content. So what you can do is look at this list here, and you can access all of these films with two exceptions. Number one, Crash, and number two, The Power of Forgiveness. If you were interested in seeing these films, I have copies of them and I could get them to you. There is a copy of Crash at the library, and also some of the public libraries have these films. So you have a few options. One, you can ask me. Two, you can go to the library on the SCF campus, or three, you could go to the public library. Now, the films that I have listed below Crash and The Power of Forgiveness, all of those films are located in our SCF library database. What you will do is go to the library database, then click on F for feature films and education, and then do some research, perhaps watch some of the movie trailers for each of these films, and then decide on which film that you would like to watch. So if you choose one of these films, you don't have to get your film approved by me. Just go ahead, select the film, and then write your paper. But if you have questions and you want to ask me or you want to ask me for input or feedback, please make sure that you contact me. Now, to watch these films, the best web browser to use is Chrome to access these videos and actually be able to watch them on your television, on your phone, or on your home computer or your laptop. You want to make sure that you're using Google Chrome to be able to access and watch these videos. So overall, the bottom line is that you want to analyze the film through the lens of interpersonal communication and your life. And you're going to apply these theories and concepts to the film, and you're going to interconnect all of those things to who you are. So the film is more of an analysis paper or synthesis paper. You are absolutely not to write a summary of the film. So you're not to write a summary of the film, but rather you're analyzing the film and you're trying to dig, just like a detective would, for different theories and concepts that you've learned about in this class. And again, you're applying this to yourself because this is all about interpersonal communication. So communication with yourself, which is the intra, with other people. So how you see the world impacts how other people see you impacts how you see other people. So this paper is kind of a self-exploration. You're not only exploring the film and analyzing the film, but you're exploring yourself and you're analyzing yourself. I am here if you have any questions. This assignment is worth 50 points and there will be a rubric for the assignment, and I'll make sure to have that posted for you all to view. But if you had questions about that, I will be using the requirements, the criteria that I've listed in this paper. All of that criteria will be part of your rubric.